be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step a foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing. Alright? So, you know what? Y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all know what gang I am a part of, and that is Bron Gang. Okay? Y'all know that. I got a lot of Jordans in here. I got some Yeezys in here. I got some KDs in here. But y'all know what time it is. Y'all know that Big Roth is a proud member of the Bron Gang. All right, so let's just go ahead and get into it, man. Let's stop playing around. All right, so boom, got my shank. This box right here comes from the good folks at can't show y'all that side. Over at Nike. All right, so let's just stop playing. Let's stop playing. Let's stop playing, man. So let's get into it. Boom and boom, bam. And then we're going to go ahead and one more swipe. Get that up out of here. Boom. And as you probably guessed, Bron box. You know, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna hype you up for no reason, man. You know, y'all know what time it is up in here, man. Let me put these over here for just a second so we can see what else is in the box. And what else is in this box is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. Let's get rid of that box. Boom. All right, put the receipt for your receipt boys over there. Now let's go ahead and get into this, man. Let's get into this. Of course, LeBron box. Nike check, LeBron 16. Look, man. The LeBron 16 model is slowly creeping up to be my favorite LeBron. Like, I never thought I would say that. But the LeBron 16 is just too sweet that it is moving up my rankings. I didn't expect that, man. I just really dig this shoe. So these are, of course, the LeBron 16, all right? Colorway is white, hot lava, and I don't know what that is, but it says silver, FLT silver. I don't know what the FLT is, but here it is. All right, so let's go ahead and get into these, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is what when you see it. This is my first time actually seeing it. I didn't cheat this time and open up the box. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Now, where is my... Here it is. Here is the shoe that this is based off of, right? Now, I don't have the original AirTech Challenge in this colorway. I got it in this one, which I also think is sweet. But I also have, like, up here behind my head, there's two more colorways of this shoe that I have. So I was a big fan of this shoe as well. So I had to get the version of this shoe that they made into bronze, because y'all know Big Roth is Bron Gang. So I had to get these. But let's get back into these, man. Look at this shoe. Man. Very dope, man. Very dope shoe. I think these came out well. I think these came out. Look at the Nike Air on the booty view. A little bit of Nike Air on the booty view right there for you all. Oh, let's take the shoe tree out of here. Bam. And man. So here's that hot lava colorway all around on the front. You got your LJ there underneath. Hot lava Nike check on the inside and on the medial side there. Boom, as mentioned before, you got that Nike Air on the cheeks and the hot lava kind of transitions to the bottom. On your inside here, you have Nike Air there. And is there anything else that's missing on the shoes? Nothing around here, nothing around there. Just dope color here. Very dope, man. Very dope shoe. You got your gray on the bottom with that hot lava here. That Dunk Man, you have your red Dunk Man here. And you know how I feel about the Dunk Man? I feel like it should be on the back. But in this case, since they have the Nike Air on the cheeks, this is acceptable, okay? This is cool to have the Nike Air on the cheeks. I ain't mad at you, Nike, okay? Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the right boy. Take a look at the right boy to see if there's any differences, okay? I don't think there is, but right shoe second. All right, so on the right, nothing different, nothing different. They are the exact same shoe. Sometimes, you know, you get the shoes and they might have something different on each shoe, but on this case, these are pretty much identical to each other. So, did I mention on the left one that you have this Nike, old school Nike tagging? Where is... Alright, so just like on the regular Air Tech Challenge, they have, boom, there. Now, one thing that I feel like they should have done, the one error that I feel like they did on this shoe is they didn't make the toe box area like the Air Tech Challenge. And they've done that before on other versions of the Lebron. See how you have the cutout around here on these Air Trainers, Lebron? They cut that out. They made it look like the old school version of the shoe. They could have done that here, you know, and done like the cutout, just like how the toe box is here. They could have cut that out around there. On how this toe box looks, they could have done this toe box the same way. Instead, they kind of kept a little bit of the traditional LeBron 16 on this one instead of doing that. If I had one gripe to make about this shoe, it would be that they didn't hit the exact details in that area. Now, as far as the tongues are a little bit different, but the patch to Nike patch that's on here is the same. It's exactly the same. But if you see how the material is of the tongue here, that is different on this shoe. So they didn't exactly nail it the same way, but I still think it is dope. So, you know what we gotta do now? First, we gotta get the right boy up out of here. But you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so here we are with the on feet. These Prestos, man, I swear I've shown these Prestos a few other times recently. These have just been kind of my go-to shoes lately, man. Just, you know, I'm about to run out somewhere. I just want to wear something that's comfortable. These black and gold Prestos, man, they've just been holding me down, man. They've been holding me down lately. But this video ain't about these. Let's get these out of here. Alright, what you all came to see. What you all came to see. Boom. Right there. On feet, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These, man. They look great on feet. They look hard. They look hard on feet. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. Right, let's get the right boy. Right boy! Get the right boy on. Alright. Lace him on up. Boom. And we on feet. We on feet. Right there. Bam. Alright, so here it is. On the feet. Man. I don't know what y'all are seeing right now, but for me looking at the camera and looking down, yo, these are clean, man. These are clean. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now let me go ahead and tell y'all, as always, if you're new to my channel, I always give you how they fit, you know, how they fit as far as where my toes are. So, this is my toe right here. Right at this point right here, if you all can see it. Let me get a little closer for you. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Big toe. Right there. Alright. So for me, the size 14 fits right. You can see that wiggle. That's my pinky toe right there. It's just enough width. It's not, you know, too long for me. It's not too short. I feel like a size 14. And this particular shoe is perfect for me. So, I feel like I am a true 13 and a half, but they don't have a 13 and a half in some of these Lebrons. And I don't feel like I would need to go down, you know, in that shoe, in this shoe. So, I would say either go true to size or go a half size up. Half size up for me fits perfectly. Alright, so let me get that coming at ya. That coming at ya. Yes, sir. Boom. Boom. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it. Definitely a dope shoe. All right. Now, one thing that I noticed that I didn't mention before is that on the lace tips here, there is an LJ. It's the same logo that's here, just in that hot lava colorway on the lace tips. Okay. So I didn't mention that before. I noticed it when I was doing the on feet. So I thought I would bring that to you all's attention. All right. But definitely a dope shoe. I did get the black colorway as well. Alright. I just hadn't got it yet. It just hasn't made it here. I ordered them the exact same time. I even asked the Nike rep when I was getting my discount. I said, can you send them together? I ordered them at the same time. Can you send them together? This one shipped the next day. The black pair shipped like 2 days ago. So more Bron gang is on the way. Okay, just know that more Bron gang is on the way, but not just one Bron gang, but there are 2 pairs of Brons on the way for future videos. Okay, so that's gonna do it, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching, man. I truly, truly appreciate it. And more content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.